Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Due to some technical glitch, I have to do once again a podcast only. So we will resume the video tomorrow. Markets opened higher following the global cues, but as expected, the markets fell. Why as expected? These FIIs are selling relentlessly. And the selling by FII is so intense that in 2023, the entire global markets are in green, but we are the only market in the year 2023, we are actually negative. In fact, today, just as a joke, I tweeted saying that in 2022, our market was a bull market, and this year our market is a bullshit market. And everyday market is too volatile. And this FIA and DA are fighting so intensely, retail people, getting killed in the crossfiring. And today also markets were too volatile. And after 130, there was some recovery of 80 points in Nifty. Then from there fell 100 point, again recovered 100 point. So the markets are going all over the places. And today, Reliance Industries, Axis Bank and ICICI Bank. So these three stocks were punished heavily. Remember, these are the three stocks which were hugely outperforming for the last 2 to 3 years. So this shows that some long-term investors are getting out of the market. So that is something really serious, and we need to worry very much. And of course, Reliance has been trading in the range of 2200 to 2800 for the last 1.5 year. I think that's likely to continue. You may remember Reliance was trading 600 to 1000 range for nearly 10 years. So, if the long-term investors are getting out, the two FIIs are getting out. So, this year once again, this became a lackluster year. And we never made two smaller candle on a yearly basis. So, if we are making a smaller candle this year, it's be very, very bad. Nasdaq was up for 4 continuous consecutive days, and during our market, Nasdaq futures were higher, and US markets are continuously moving higher, and we are continuously moving lower. After the markets close, Infosys results came. The results seems to be very good. The ADR is up more than 2%. So it shows that tomorrow Infosys is likely to open 1 to 1.5% higher. And also we have to wait for the US markets to close to see if there is any further selling or buying in US markets. Our inflation data came at 5.72%, which is lower than expected. And RBI comfort range is 2 to 6%. So for second straight month, our inflation is less than 6%. But when these FIIs are selling like this relentlessly, this economic data makes no sense. But however, US market economic data is very, very important to watch. And US markets, the consumer price inflation data came just about 10-15 minutes before, and the data was as expected. So though the US futures were a little bit volatile, but now they are settling down. Now that is almost flat. And US markets, the volatility was high ahead of the data, and the premiums were very high both the sides. But now I think those premiums will cool down. So in all likelihood, today also US markets is likely to be higher, and Nasdaq particularly may be closing 5th straight day in green, while we are closing every day in red. And today also on a close to close basis, we closed in red only. FIAs have sold today for about 1,662 crores, whereas the domestic institutions have bought for 2,127 crore. And looking at the open interest, people are taking short straddle at 18,000 and short straddle at 17,900. So looking at this open interest, it looks like now the markets will be trading in the range of 17,600 to 18,400. Anyway, we have only 2 more weeks, and people are losing the hope of any rally. Anyway, so TCS was the only key stock that came out with results earlier, but now Infosys is out, and we have to see when the TCS results was not good, and other stocks like Infosys and HDFC also fell. But today, surprisingly, when Reliance, Axis Bank, and ICICI Bank was severely under pressure, the HDFC and HDFC Bank were doing extremely well. So tomorrow, since the Infosys results are good, the expectation for HDFC Bank may go higher. So HDFC Bank may do well. And the Bank Nifty is hugely volatile, and it has already fallen about 2,500 points. Nifty has fallen about 1,200 point from December high, and Bank Nifty about 2,500 point. So I think for long-term investor, so this is time to invest partially. So I have a policy. If Nifty falls 1,000 point, Bank Nifty fall 2,500 point, I will buy something. Another 1,000 point in Nifty fall, another 2,500 point fall in Bank Nifty, I will buy and average. So this is a new concept I'm just going to try. I just bought for small quantity, like 10 lakh rupees worth of Nifty Bs and 10 lakh rupees worth of Bank Nifty Bs, just 20 lakhs. And also I will be doing a covered call to make some money. So, so far globally everything is good, and we will see what happens tomorrow. So today's low should be the low for the month of January, looking at the global markets reaction for consumer price inflation data and the Infosys results. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.